Observers around the world have been waiting for the next big comet to become visible to the naked eye, and many thought that Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS could be it. Comet Tsuchinshan-ATLAS is blazingly speedy. It is hurtling through the inner solar system at 80.74 km per second relative to Earth. Comet C 2023-A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS has great potential and may become visible to the naked eye as early as October 2024. According to some predictions, it could reach a brightness of 0 to 1 or more. Now you can see its incredible speed with a small telescope. You can observe the comet's position gradually change by comparing its exact position with the background stars after just 15 minutes. Let's take a look at Comet A3. Comet A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS was discovered by the asteroid Earth Impact Last Alert System ATLAS on February 22, 2023. It was also independently observed by the Tsuchinshan Astronomical Observatory Purple Shan Observatory. Chinese Academy of Sciences a few weeks earlier in January 2023. The official name includes both Tsuchinshan and ATLAS based on these independent observations. Its retrograde orbit, it moves in the opposite direction to most large objects in the solar system, making it parabolic with a perihelion distance of 0.39 astronomical units. Comet A3 is notable and is actively observed, as current estimates suggest it may become bright enough to be visible to the naked eye during its perihelion passage in September-October 2024. How large is the core of C 2023-A3? Unfortunately, this cannot be said with any certainty. Even with modern sophisticated instruments, the nuclei of long-period comets are usually difficult to see, as they are obscured by dense dust clouds from cometary activity. That means we rely on indirect methods to make approximate estimates. Some estimates suggest that its nucleus has a diameter of 6 to 15 kilometers. Why is Comet 2023-A3 special? First, C 2023-A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS is expected to develop a beautiful cometary tail. Faint comets usually lack any obvious tail at all. After C 2023-A3 passes the Sun at a distance similar to the orbit of Mercury, the coma of dust and ice will heat up significantly. When the ice particles evaporate, they quickly escape into space, taking with them a large amount of dust, spreading out into a long, bright tail. As history shows, comets that pass close to the Sun have the most impressive tails, which form immediately after being roasted by the Sun's heat. And that's the case with Comet C 2023-A3. Moreover, A3 will be fully visible in the northern hemisphere, which gives it an advantage. The last time a very bright comet was visible from northern latitudes was in 1997, when Comet Hale-Bopp lit up the sky. The distance from Earth of Comet C 2023-A3 is currently 33,836,302 kilometers, which corresponds to 2.03102 astronomical units. This light takes 16 minutes 53.4888 seconds to reach us from Comet C 2023-A3 Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. It is scheduled to make its closest approach to Earth on October 12, 2024. That is, if it survives. If it is still intact, current predictions suggest that it should be between magnitude 2 and 3 when it makes its closest approach to Earth. It will then be visible to the naked eye, so enjoy this rare and beautiful spectacle of the sky.